Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to download the mobile app for TIKOM G8000. So as you see guys, I already have my phone opened and I'm going to look for App Store. Then click search and you can either spell Tuya, it's Tuya Smart, it's the first one that should be popped up. And as you see Tuya Smart, click get. Or if you search TIKOM, it should actually redirect you to this one, so click install, type your password. As you see, it's already installed. We just need to wait a bit. I will just wait a bit until it actually installs. So and as you see, I can already click open, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.